Hello mga palangga! So today, I will teach you how I do this simple makeup of mine. So there, feel free sa pag-titig sa aking napakapangit na mukha, absent na kilay, no? So let's start. As usual, kilay muna tayo, no? Still the same things that I use, still the same tools, the brushes, and the deep brow thing. Next, ang paborito nating concealer para mas maging malinis ang paligid ng ating eyebrows. There! Dahil finish na ang ating eyebrows, tayo ay magfa-foundation. Next is the concealer. Next, this foundation para sa base ng ating eyeshadow. Next, go na tayo sa pink para sa ating outer V. So after you have finished the both eyes, push na tayo sa shimmer na pink. Next will be the eyeliner. And eyelashes. Dahil super nipis niya, kailangan lang nating mag-mascara. Baw manday, yawan pa kita kalimpyo, ano ah? At ang next ay harina, char white powder. Next, I'm gonna get this foundation again para naman sa aking cheeks. Next, this brown para sa contour. Then, for the nose line, you have to pinch your big brush a little bit. Zay, hindi pa galimti yung nose line, Zay, para magwapa-gwapa man, Zay, no? And for the blush, I'm gonna get this powder. This one's not pink, not brown, but a little orangey. Para sa ating highlights, this yellow shimmer right here. After that, eyeliner para sa ating under eye. Then mascara para sa lower lashes. Next, for the lipstick, yung light shade lang. Yeah, so that's totally it. Now, please wait. I'ma fix my hair. So that's how I do my simple look. Now, if you like it, thank you so much. But if you don't, I actually do not care. Char. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.